What are you doing, Mandy? Are you out on the ice? Are you out on the ice? Are you on the ice? Banjo, hush. Well, the pond's frozen. This is Sunday. About a week after the storm hit. And I don't know, it's probably upper 20s now. It's supposed to have an ice storm moving in tonight. And supposed to have freezing rain. And then it's supposed to turn to rain tomorrow, and then Tuesday starts warming up, and then we're gonna get up in the 50s next week. So we'll see how tomorrow morning is. But we've had a winter blast. We got down as low as 3 below. And it was a rough week, real rough week. I had a rough week in the bus. I'll let you know all of that. A couple lessons learned, but we're getting close to the end of it. I'm about over this cold spell. Went out this morning and took some pictures and some frozen creek pictures and stuff, but it was so cold and my camera kept shutting off. It was in the teens this morning, but it sure has been beautiful, but I am over it. Well, the freezing rain came this morning and it's still in effect. It's just straight rain now, but the ground's so cold, everything's frozen. The roads are a sheet of ice. Pretty treacherous out there, but it's starting to warm up. It just got over freezing. So we just got to get through today. Still have power and everything, haven't lost power. Tomorrow's supposed to be 50 degrees, so all this will be over. But it is cold and wet and icy. Well, y'all, we made it through the week. It ended up warming up after Monday. And been in the 40s and 50s all week. Everything's thawed out. The only thing that suffered any damage was my water pump that I pumped the water into the bus with. It broke the pressure switch on it. I replaced that, and then the motor ended up burning out, so I got a new one on order. But we're pretty much back to normal here. It did rain all week. Everything's a muddy mess, all the roads and everything, but that's a lot better than freezing solid. So I don't know. That's about all that's going on. Stuck around the house today and got some stuff done, but not a whole lot other to update on, but anyways, we made it through the mess, made it through the storm, and I'm hoping that's the worst of it this year. We'll see. We still got another month of winter. We'll see what happens, but I'm hoping that was it. Diesel heater's working good now. The fuel had gelled up in it and quit working, but it's working good now. I ended up putting some treatment in the fuel. But it's been fairly warm, so I've just been running it. I haven't had any fires this week. That's about it. I may take my canoe out. I got a new canoe, by the way. I'll be making a video on that. I'm gonna hopefully take it out tomorrow afternoon, maybe to the lake or something, do a test run. I wanted to get a canoe so I could start taking the dogs with me on river floats and stuff like that, and fishing. So you'll see that in the future. I think I mentioned that before in my last video, not sure. But anyways, yep, just wanted to cap off the week and fill y'all in. Banjo's doing great. He's playing with this big giant ball he got for Christmas. Mandy's doing good. She's chilling with her jacket on. It's like in the 40s today, and it's a little windy, so it's a little chilly. So put a jacket on her so she'll stay warm. But anyways, I hope everyone made it through the cold where you're at, because I know it's been cold all pretty much around the country. Even down in, my cousin down in Gulf Shores even got down to 17 degrees. So I hope everyone's doing well, and stay safe out there. And like, comment, subscribe. Got some adventures coming up this year, so stay tuned for that. I did manage to get up and do a little trip out in the woods. Wanted to get some photos taken, and while there's still some snow and ice, I'll throw some footage of that in. It was real cold that day. It was like 17 degrees, but it was beautiful. So I'll roll that footage and you can check it out. And everyone take care. I'll talk to you later.